Google recently and quietly shut down NotebookLM, the tool that millions of researchers use to summarize their large, complex documents. That closure highlights a limitation in the current chatbot model. At the moment, artificial intelligence is primarily passive. It waits for your instructions and leaves the actual heavy lifting to you. Professionals currently deal with three specific bottlenecks. They have to trust hidden calculations, read through dense blocks of text, and manually format their final reports. Google's replacement, Gemini Notebook, represents a transition toward what they call an agentic workspace. This shift moves the weight of knowledge work away from the user, allowing the software to build finished products autonomously. Let's look at the ingestion phase. Imagine you need to process a massive dataset, like uploading a CSV file containing thousands of individual sales records. Gemini Notebook handles this through native Python execution. The software writes and runs secure code in the cloud to process your files, acting as your built-in data analyst. Without requiring you to write a single line of code, the system cleans the data, it identifies trends, and computes complex statistics. This diagram illustrates live reasoning chains, the solution to the AI black box problem. You can watch the AI as it cross-references documents and resolves data contradictions to reach a validated conclusion. By exposing the underlying Python code and the specific logical steps taken, the tool provides the transparency needed for high-stakes data analysis. Once the data is processed, you enter the comprehension phase. Traditionally, trying to understand hundreds of pages of analyzed research is a slow, exhausting process. To solve this, the tool generates fully interactive AI podcasts. These allow you to enter the conversation midstream, turning a passive summary into a two-way dialogue. You can pause the virtual hosts at any time, ask them to simplify a dense concept, or direct them to debate differing viewpoints. This stylized infographic grid displays data as geometric shapes. The system generates these visuals instantly for visual learners who prefer structured layouts over giant paragraphs of text. You can generate clean, professional charts for a board meeting, or select highly creative styles like clay anime to keep a specific audience engaged. Converting static text into interruptible, stylized media allows for the quick consumption of complex info without the fatigue of reading through raw documents. The final step is execution. This stage is usually defined by the tedious manual labor of copying and formatting AI text into a final deliverable product. Gemini Notebook removes that manual copy-paste phase by generating finished, professional documents directly from your data. The AI instantly builds downloadable PowerPoints, builds polished PDFs, creates Excel spreadsheets, and formats JSON data for developers. This diagram shows a cloud folder connected to a workspace icon by a glowing sync line, representing automatic Google Drive syncing. Editing the original file instantly sends a pulse along that line. Your AI workspace updates automatically, removing the need for manual re-uploads. The ability to generate actual files and synchronize data automatically removes the formatting bottleneck, saving hours of manual labor every week. When you look at this pipeline, the starting point for research shifts from a blank document to a pre-organized collection of data. You provide a broad topic, and the system autonomously suggests relevant sources, categorizes subtopics, and builds a structured research library from scratch. This relationship allows you to oversee a system that actively reasons through problems and organizes information, rather than simply responding to individual prompts. This update covers a massive range of functions, from native Python execution and interactive podcasts to automatic file generation. As the software transitions into an active agent, the primary decision for the professional is how much of their traditional workflow they are ready to automate.